sun up the river a little bit for some golf balls. I'm gonna come down here at the dam. The water level is really low. The gates are all closed. I think I'm gonna find some cool stuff. Let's go. This is Nate. I was diving in the Menominee River up by the dam. I went straight down and right away I found his cell phone.
So this case has been dropped off a 3-story building, run over by a skid steer, and dropped off of the roof of a car going 65 miles an hour. This phone has survived it, all of it. The only thing it didn't make it through, but this guy's telling me it did, is drowning in the river for 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks.
Wow. His profile picture was him standing right where he lost it. And I'm like, yeah, this is the guy for sure. 100%. Glad I can get it back.
I appreciate you so much. If there's anything I can do to help, just let me know.
What's up? How's it going? Good. There's a lot of fish down there. Up in the current, a lot of salmon, some trout. Up in the current up here. A little further up, there's about 20 of them together. I'll move over there so you can fish. Yeah.
how'd you lose this?
I was fishing with 2 poles. I was casting for walleye, and I was leaving one sit for salmon, and the salmon grabbed a hold of it, and it was too late. It went over the rail.
Well, hey, I'm glad I could find it for you, Josh. And
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for being a good customer of mine and
Definitely.
coming over and stuff.
Man, I'm trying to haul this anchor back. Thing's freaking huge, and 2 rods. I got about 20 pounds of lead in there from up at the dam, a cell phone, some lures, a bunch of other random stuff. Woo! It's a workout. An older Eagle Claw, a Fenwick Eagle GT. Yep. I just gotta make it back there with my air now. Hopefully that doesn't tip over. Yeah, if you want to anchor, you can come grab it. I give you permission to come over here. It's a heavy duty one. I got about 60 of these in my backyard. Yeah, it is.
Appreciate that, man.
Oh, yeah, no problem. No problem. Enjoy it. Don't lose it. Do you guys watch TikTok, YouTube, or anything like that? Ed the Diver. That's my channel. Ed the Diver. Yeah. When I edit my YouTube video, you'll see the fish, but I'm like 25 videos behind. I've been busy all summer. It'll take a while. Thanks, man. If you guys need lures, I got thousands of them. All right, good luck. Thank you. Howdy.
Just got done diving again. Let's see what he got.
Got about 40 pounds of lead weights here. Got some metal rod, some nice lures here. Got some cash today. Got some coins, this, someone's old iPhone. Got that, some aluminum, some pliers, a little ringer thing. Got some more golf balls. We'll throw them in the ones we found earlier today. Got a cool bouncy ball. Throw that in there. these metal things that say XO. Found those down by the dam. Glass insulator, Coca-Cola bottle from Rhinelander, some other older bottles. The coolest find today was these here. A Fenwick Eagle GT with a loose reel. This also Eagle Claw Dranger heavy duty with a Quantum EX reel. Pretty fun dive. I'm worn out. Did 2 dives today. I had 20 pounds of lead on my waist. Saw a lot of salmon, a lot of trout in the water, and got really close to huge sturgeon and a bunch of bass.